Well, an awesome westbound train that was. I tried to come out here yesterday, to get a train, but I was too late. I didn't get enough time to get to the tracks before it showed up. Plus, there was another eastbound, which I get quite a bit these days. And actually, yesterday marked it be 1 full year since I've been posting videos on YouTube. Man, since the year went by awful fast. Yesterday was 1 full year, like I was saying, I've been posting videos on YouTube. I was hoping to get 100 subscribers, but I got 89 subscribers, so that's good enough for me anyway. So, wherever you're watching this from, hope you have a good day, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel, and on that, have a good one until the next train.